All right, for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a set of stairs. So to do that, you'll come up, make sure you're on the architecture tab, go ahead and come over here and click on stair. And then we're going to pull up our properties browser over here. And so the important thing to know when you're creating stairs is first what type of stair you're going to be doing. Up here, there's a couple of different things you can do. You have some straight stairs, circular, curved, spiral, where it has winding stairs or making a U-shape winding or other different kinds. And then, so that's important to note what you're doing. Also where it's going to be going to and from. So from here, it's level 1 to level 2. And also how many risers you want and the tread depth. So the tread depth is how deep each stair is going to be. That's where you're putting your foot on, how much space there's going to be there. So code for residential is 10 feet, 10 inches, but over here we have set 11 inches, so that will be perfect. And then, so you can change the amount of risers you want, and of course make sure your riser height is no more than 7 3/4, which is the residential maximum. So it has to be under that for the right height of each individual riser. And so right here, we're perfect in the range you want. So first I'll show you just how to draw a normal set of stairs. So in Revit, you'll just click a spot you need it to start and then drag all the way down. And also important to note, you need to have space on each side of the stair to be able for a landing, and also at the foot of the stairs. You should have at least 3 feet on each side when you're doing that. So that's how to make it just a simple set of stairs. And then you'd come up here and click the green arrow to say, okay. And as you can see, it shows that the stairs are going up, starting from this point, ending up here on the second floor. And say you want to have a landing partway through the stairs. So what you're going to do is draw a portion of them. Let's do just 9 out of the 18. And then we'll come over here and draw them going this way, and it automatically creates a landing in between for us. And if you want them to be a little bit closer together, you can go ahead and use your arrows and drag these a little bit closer. And so that way, this is going to be on the first floor, coming up, and then finishing on the second floor. So you can do that at any point in that. And then same as before, just make sure you got 18 risers. It's less than 3 and 7 3/4. And the depth is greater than 10 inches, so we're good. And it's going from level 1 to level 2. So go ahead and click the green arrow. So that's how to create some of these two just basic stairs. I hope that was helpful to you, and happy working on your projects.